Hi, Laura Cross here on Bruce Road 3 today, checking out this beautiful country property under just 2 acres of land here and just outside of Paisley. One of the things I love about country properties is we have all this space for gardening, enjoying the outdoors, and we also have some great bonus outbuildings. We are surrounded by picturesque farms here, mature trees, absolutely beautiful scenery, but we're close to the charming town of Paisley, so you're not giving up on any amenities. Welcome to this immaculately kept home. You just get such a wonderful feeling the moment you step through the door. Having a nice bright kitchen means it's always a joy to cook those family meals. We've got tons of cabinet space and a great layout. On the upper level, we have this great primary bedroom, lots of space, bathroom with ensuite privileges, and a nice big closet. Finishing off this level, we've got 2 more spacious bedrooms. On the lower level, we have this cozy living room space with a wood-burning fireplace, ideal for curling up, watching a movie, and hanging out with family and friends. The fully finished basement is complete with a mechanical room, great laundry space, this flex room, and we even have an added bedroom. With our Ontario winters, you're always going to be happy to have an attached garage, whether you're looking to keep snow off the car or you're looking for some added workspace. If you are looking for a country property with a great location only minutes from town, with a short drive to Port Elgin and Southampton, and surrounded by beautiful countryside, this could be the ideal place for you. Give us a call today. I would love to tour you through.